Way from the Fairfield Falcons. We're so excited for today. As you walk around campus, you're going to see a lot of students and staff in the orange. We are rocking that orange and white today.
It is Unity Day. You see all of us in our orange shirts because we are united and we are always going to be kind and we exclusive and accepting of everyone.